All right, we're going to look at the homework for lesson 6.5. You're going to do 1 through 21, the odd problems. That's 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So in problem number 1, it's pretty straightforward. You add the fractions first. 2, 6 plus 3, 6 is 5, 6. And 3 plus 6 is 9. No problem. Over here, though, when we add 3/4 and 2/4, we get 5/4. So what we do in that situation, you divide the numerator 5 by the denominator 4. 4 will go into 5 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. When you subtract, you get 1. You bring the divisor down underneath. 1/4. Final answer is 1 and 1/4. The fraction stays on this side, and you take the whole number and add it up here. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12. 12 and 1/4. Okay. Do problem 5 in a similar fashion. Now we're subtracting. This one's pretty straightforward. Problem number 9, though, I noticed that this fraction is smaller than this fraction. When that happens, regroup, or you borrow 5, put the 1 whole over here, because 1 whole can be written as 4/4, and the reason I'm choosing 4 is because the denominator is a 4. 1/4 plus 4/4 is 5/4, and now I can subtract. 5 take away 3 is 2/4, and then 5 take away 2 is 3. 3 and 2/4. So do these problems in the same way. Here you're just adding and subtracting, and you can leave it as a fraction, so 1/4 plus 7/4 is 8/4. Let's look at the remembering side. I want you to do problems 1 through 11 odd and the stretch your thinking. When you get down to these two problems, I've given you some hints. We know that there's 60 seconds in a minute. So how many seconds would be in 4 minutes? We know that there's 24 hours in one day. So how many hours would be in 5 days? See if you can figure those out. And then down here, you're just changing these into mixed numbers. Remember, for example, number 7, you divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay? Try the stretch your thinking. I don't think it's that hard. Just explain why. Or pick the most and then why you think that.